Your kids are not your entire world, and that's okay. I'm Barbara Zinda with Better Together Life Coaching. Why is it as parents, it's so easy for us to pour into our children, right? We help them find their dreams and their purpose, their direction. But when we turn that focus in on ourselves, sometimes we feel guilty. What? Why do we feel this way? Well, this is something we're going to get into during my live event February 8th. I want to share though that it's normal to have a little hesitation to focus on yourself when you're a parent, even after the kids move out, even when they're gone and they're living their dream and they're doing their thing. It's easy for us to get stuck in, well, did I do everything right? And do they really have everything that they need? And all of these questions go through our minds instead of taking the time to really think through and act upon what matters to us, what brings us joy, what brings us peace, fulfillment, what's our dream. These are areas that, last week I had a client with a huge breakthrough. All she needed was the permission to focus on herself. Once we built the dream and really she took some time to think about how she wanted to spend her time, that small little mind shift empowered her to make some big moves forward in her life. I am so excited for her and can't wait to see what happens next. So for you, what are your dreams? What is your purpose? If you want to join a live event to talk about it, please come. It's February 8th. I do a live event the second Saturday of every month at 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. So February 8th is the next one. And we're going to dive into purpose, building a dream. This is all part of the Empty Nesters roadmap that I created. It's actually the third stage. It's the most fun stage. But we're going to dive into the whole roadmap. I'm going to meet you where you're at, whether you're embracing the shift and getting used to the change, maybe you're decluttering and getting rid of things that don't serve you, or maybe you're ready to fill up your day, fill up your experience with things that you really enjoy. Either way, find the roadmap, find the link to my live event. It's all on my website, bettertogetherlifecoaching.fun. Check it out. And remember, we're so much better together. Have a wonderful day, everyone.